course.
Ready, set, vlog.
I'm excited, Woo-hoo! So today is the day that they come back. They're done. They're in Miami. Well, they're not in Miami yet. Right now they're heading in from Portugal, but the plane's gonna land in about 2 hours. So, oh my God, that's them. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Why are you so loud about it? Are you excited? How excited are you?
Pretty exciting.
Contain yourself, Roger. Oh. Roger, they're here.
Okay.
Roger, they're here. Roger, they're here. Roger, they're here. Wake up, they're here, Roger. Roger. Tickle. Come on, Roger. Roger, come on, quick. Grab my hand, Roger. Let's do this together.
Where are they?
In the front yard, come on. Something special about this bag?
What does it say?
It says Miles.
Miles.
Wow. What coincidence. They have a brand named after Miles. I'm not even going to tell you the store that I'm in anymore. We've just been here too much. I am getting some spray paint for Miles' senior crown thing. I'm now excited because now we have the other team members and this vlog will have other people's footage in it. This is great. I'm excited. We're heading through a snowstorm now. No, I'm just kidding. We're getting a car wash.
Tomorrow's first day of school. I'm on that senior status.
So he's been in Miami for about 2 hours.
And I managed to get a haircut, get my car through a car wash, put gas. And now
Get a glass Coke.
Yeah, get a glass Coke. Buy spray paint for my senior crown. Now we gotta go get a monster for my dad.
While through a snowstorm.
That's decent for the first day of school.
Does that work for your first day?
Yeah. Making my senior crown last minute because I was in Europe, so I wasn't able to make it. And I have school tomorrow morning. LJ got like spray paint on his finger, but then rubbed his eye.
So I'm about to do it again. I don't know where it's at. Is it like
it's like right here.
nice? Is it getting off?
Not really.
Nice.
Hey guys, this is Bert, and I want you guys to know that you can
Like,
Comment.
subscribe,
and make it happen. And guess what? I'll see you on the other side.